How to create serialized TIFF images with TIFF Image Printer 12. TIFF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. To create serialized TIFF images, you will need to create a custom profile and set it as TIFF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating TIFF images with your raster image printer. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add Profile. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Serialized TIFF and enter a description such as Create Serialized TIFF Images. The only change we need to make to our default settings is the output type. Change the output type from TIFF multi-paged to TIFF serialized. For the purposes of this example, we will leave the resolution at 300 dpi and the color reduction settings alone. By default, they are set to create a 300 dpi color image. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Serialized TIFF as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. Then set the name of the sequence and the saved location of your new TIFF images. We have now made a sequence of TIFF images from a single document. If you are looking to add TIFF images to an existing sequence, reopen the serialized TIFF profile that we created. Under Save Options, enable Append Pages to an existing sequence of files. Set the output location and base file name of your TIFF images. We will use the same location and base name that we used for the first sequence, so that all additional images will be appended to our existing sequence. Open your document again. Select File, Print, select TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the document to TIFF Image Printer. The Save As dialog will appear with the output location and base file name already populated. Click Save to finish. We have now added these TIFF images to our existing sequence. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.